Welcome to Fiscal TV's How-To series. In this video, we will cover creating a GL journal for a bond cash transfer. The purpose of a bond cash transfer GL journal is to transfer cash from the bond proceeds fund to the bond expenditure fund for all bond-related AP vouchers. After you have created your bond expenditure voucher, begin by navigating to the Create Update Journal Entries page. Once you reach the page, enter your department's business unit and the journal date for the transaction. The journal date must be 2 business days prior to the related voucher scheduled due date. This means that a voucher scheduled for Thursday, January 9th, 2020 would have a journal date of Tuesday, January 7th, 2020. Click Add. In the Header tab, you will enter the same types of information that your department would include in a transaction request form for a bond cash transfer, including the journal description, legal authority, and reason for request. Be sure to include your BU number, voucher ID, and scheduled due date of the voucher in the journal description field. Enter BDCT into the SCO type of transaction field. Attach any related documents as you do today. Click the Lines tab. In the Lines tab, enter the appropriate chart field values for each journal line. Remember, do not enter the pending cash account, as due to due from accounts will automatically populate. For bond cash transfers, in each line you must enter the related AP voucher using the specific format of capital VCHR-voucher ID in the transaction description field. If the noted format is not used, the bond cash transfer query will not identify the transaction. This may result in delays in the SCO approval process. Complete budget check and submit for approvals per the usual process. After the GL journal is approved by your department approver, it will workflow to SCO for final approval. After you have completed and approved your bond cash transfer GL journal, you can navigate to the bond cash transfer query to review the transactions. Begin by navigating to the query viewer page. Enter the query ZZ_GL_BCT_QRY. Use the fields from journal date and to journal date to narrow the selection of your transactions. If you are looking for something specific, you could also enter the voucher ID or journal ID. Click View Results. After the query has loaded, confirm that your GL journal is linked to the correct AP voucher by comparing the journal ID and voucher ID headers. Here, you can also check the status of both GL journals and AP vouchers as needed. For more information, refer to Job Aid Fiscal 404. If you have any questions, please reach out to the FSC at fiscalservicecenter@fiscal.ca.gov.